Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about macrolides antibiotic. The antibiotic have very big lactone ring in the macrolide antibiotic. These have very big lactone ring and classification is synthetic and natural. Natural erythromycin from bacteria of Streptomyces erythraeus. Synthetic roxyerythromycin, azithromycin, clarithromycin given 1 hour before the food. Azithromycin is given 1250 gram for 5 days. Mode of action. It binds to 50S ribosome and inhibit bacterial protein synthesis, and it is an bacteriostatic drug. Antibacterial activity. Mostly they are gram-positive bacteria like penicillin G. Therapeutic uses. Penicillin G is allergic patient can be treated. Use like penicillin G, orthodontal infection, whooping cough, azithromycin much used to treat the pharyngitis infection by COVID, pharyngitis and lung infection in COVID-19. These are the therapeutic uses of the macrolide antibiotics. Like recently the COVID-19 azithromycin is used for pharyngitis and lung infection. Their adverse effects are cholestatic jaundice and gastric irritation. Broad spectrum antibiotics. They are tetracycline and chloramphenicol. Tetracycline. They contains 4 cyclic rings. Classification. Natural source. Chlorotetracycline, oxytetracycline. Chlorotetracycline is from Streptomyces aureus and oxytetracycline from Streptomyces remosus. Semisynthetic tetracycline derivatives of chlorotetracycline, demicyclocycline, minocycline, deoxycycline, a long activity of drug of tetracycline, bind to 30S ribosome unit. Mechanism of action. This tetracycline binds to 30S ribosome unit. It prevents the binding of RNA to A site and prevent the protein synthesis, which results in bacteriostatic action. Antibacterial action. Broad spectrum of action against gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, anaerobes, chlamydia, mycoplasma, actinomyces, protozoa, rickettsia. Therapeutic uses. Dysentery, diarrhea, cholera, whooping cough, pneumonia and all respiratory tract infection, STD infection, trachoma, rickettsia infection like typhus fever, typhoid fever and plague, brucellosis, periodontal infection, amoebiasis. Dose. The tetracycline is given 500 mg for 3 to 4 times and 200 mg in the first day. Doxycycline is given 100 mg twice a day. For topical use, we have ointment and eye drops in the tetracycline. Adverse reaction. Superinfection. Post-antibiotic adverse effect. Frequent use of antibiotics orally, particularly broad-spectrum antibiotic, to replace the affected bacterial flora. Example: Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium, Streptococcus faecalis, and Saccharomyces boulardii is biflactab. These 3 combinations are given in biflactab. They are also present in yogurt. The B complex tablet is also taken daily during antibiotic treatment. Probiotic, inulin, lactulose. Growth the interstitial flora. Increases the growth of interstitial flora. Use of probiotics. Diarrhea due to antibiotic therapy, ulcerative colitis and irritable bowel syndrome. It affects the teeth also. The tetracycline cholate calcium, the calcium tetracycline orthophosphate complex deposited in developing bones and teeth of the children and affect the teeth and bones. Pediatric. During pregnancy, the deciduous teeth is affected. The baby's deciduous teeth is affected. Teeth is not properly formed. The antibiotic destroys the commensals non-pathogenic bacteria present in the interstitial flora. As a result, new infection appear in the mouth and the throat and urinary tract. Tetracycline produce teratogenic effect, affect the teeth and bone formation in the pregnancy. Phototoxicity on exposure of sunlight, dermatitis, the yellow color nails. Hypersensitivity reaction is mild and rare. Probiotics. The tablets or capsule contain non-pathogenic bacteria given orally. These probiotics which contains non-pathogenic bacteria which is given orally. Pediatric. First year to 5 year age, permanent teeth is affected. Pigmentation of the teeth and caries. Pregnancy up to 8 years. Children of skeletal teeth is affected. Bone growth is also affected. Parts affected are skeleton and teeth. Bone growth is affected. Chlorophenicol, a broad spectrum antibiotic obtained from the bacteria Streptomyces venosus in 1947. Mode of action similar to erythromycin. The action and use are similar to tetracycline as we see, and meningitis and typhoid fever and eye infection are the uses. It is used in the meningitis, typhoid fever and eye infection. Adverse effect: bone marrow depression, gray baby syndrome, superinfection. Thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, share, comment my channel.